बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ चार्ज पिछले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था। अब कूलॉम्स लॉ डिस्कस करेंगे। कूलॉम्स लॉ is the basic law which determines forces between two point charges. According to Coulomb's law, force between two point charges is directly proportional to the product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the separation between them. If we write it mathematically, then we find that F proportional Q1 Q2, F proportional 1 by R square. Combining these two, we have F proportional Q1 Q2 by R square. If we remove or withdraw the proportionality, we have to multiply by a constant F equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square, where K is named as constant and depends on the medium in which the two charges are placed or medium between the two charges. Magnitude. This is the magnitude of force between two point charges separated at very small separation or separated at a distance or Q1 Q2 small r. K is a constant named as electrostatic force constant and depends on the nature of medium separating the charges. In CGS system, its value is 1 and in SI it is calculated as K equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. This value K is true when the medium between the two charges is vacuum. The value of K is also written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This epsilon naught is named as permittivity of free space. Coulomb's law is also can be represented in the form of vector form of Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law gives force between two point charges. This is coordinate axis, origin to, let there are two charges Q1 and Q2. Two charges Q1 and Q2. Their position vectors are R1 and R2 respectively. Position vector, separation with respect to origin. Then वेक्टर कॉन्सेप्ट में पोजीशन और डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर आपने 11th में पढ़ रखा है, उसको थोड़ा सा यहाँ मेमोराइज करो, ये बात क्लियर होगी कि इफ वी फाइंड R12 this distance will be, this displacement will be R12. You may also get R21, that is from Q2 to Q1. Here we measured Q1 to Q2. Force on first due to second, F1, 2. Force on first due to second, F1, 2. Similarly, force on second due to first, F2, 1. If these 2 points are A and B, then from displacement vector concept, vector AB will be equal to vector AB, separation from A to B will be equal to R1, 2, R2 minus R1. In the same way, vector BA, separation from B to A will be R2, 1 equal to R1 minus R2. Now the force between the two charges, that is force on Q1 due to Q2, may be written as F12 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charges Q1, Q2 by separation AB square. This AB square equal to R12. F12 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1, Q2 upon R12 square. Square, but this is in vector notation, therefore we should use unit vector which has magnitude unity and represents only direction, F1. Similarly, force between two charges, that is from Q2 to Q1, or force on Q2 due to Q1, F21 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R Q1 square unit vector r to 1. From these two equations, we may conclude that force F12 equal to minus F21. This is the vector form of Coulomb's law and used to find the forces acting on a body in different directions. Another important topic is dielectric constant or relative electrical permittivity. If two charges are placed in a medium, then force between them may be given as Fm equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. Question: if the same charges are placed in free space or in vacuum, then F0 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Question 2. Dividing 2 by 1, we have F0 by Fm equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square divided by Fm into 4 pi epsilon R square by Q1 Q. R square cancel out, Q1 Q2 cancel out, 4 pi cancel out. Now it will be equal to F0 by Fm. F0 means force in free space, Fm means force in medium, equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught. Epsilon is the permittivity of medium, epsilon naught permittivity of free space. This epsilon upon epsilon naught is represented as epsilon or relative permittivity, or also named as K, dielectric constant. If you want to define, then it can be defined in terms of force as well as in terms of permittivity. Dielectric constant in terms of force may be defined as Fm equal to F0 by K, or K equal to F0 by Fm. Ratio of force between 2 point charges in free space to the ratio of force between the same point charges separated at same distance in a medium. F0 by Fm equal to K. Or in terms of permittivity, K equal epsilon upon epsilon ratio of permittivity of medium to the ratio of permittivity of free space.